Even civil society groups ay close din po ang ICI on this.
I will inform the commission about that and probably they can discuss it.
Attorney, would you consider the statement from the palace kahapon saying even the president wants transparency pero nasa inyo daw ang pagdedesisyon? Hindi kaya siya hint from the palace that you open the live stream to the public?
What's the question?
Would you consider that statement from the palace?
Well, I think the policy still remains with the determination whether or not to make it live stream or open it to the public is with regard to the commission. So until they decide that it is open to the public or to live streaming or so through any other ways, the policy will remain that there will be no live streaming, because we're trying to prevent something. We're trying to prevent the commission from being weaponized by any individuals. We don't even know if the statements there are true or probably said to confuse the commission and even the public. So we have to be careful with that. Kailangan mag-ingat kami dahil hindi naman lahat ng sasabihin dyan itatanggapin na natin na katotohanan. Kung yan ay delikado, no? Kasi mamimislead ang publiko. Matatanggap nila na kagad na sinabi nitong tao na to na hindi naman tayo sigurado sa kanilang karakter, sa kanilang background. Kung talagang sila yung nagsasabi ng totoo, baka nga liniligaw lang nila ang investigasyon ng ICI. At the same time, baka maligaw rin ang publiko. Kung sa ganun, maghahalo-halo ng ang statement, ang kwento, at dahil doon, hindi na natin mahahanap yung katotohanan, which we're really trying to do. I assure you that the commission wants to know the truth. Kasi nga, ayaw natin na mangyari itong ganito ulit. Masyadong malaking skandalo to. Ito ay isang korupsyon na in a scale that we've never imagined could happen. So as much as possible, we're very careful. We want to ensure that we get those guys. But at the same time, we don't want to trample upon the individual rights of persons who might be innocently or taken advantage of by these resource persons.